You may have heard the term VPN or virtual private network. So what is it and what would you use it for? VPNs create a secure and anonymous path between you and the sites you access. This helps protect your important information from malicious attacks or attempts from others to track your data. So why would you use a VPN? Secure your access to free Wi-Fi in coffee shops, airports, hotels, and other public places while accessing work resources remotely. Stop browsers from tracking you. Bypass government's internet censorship when travelling. Or securely access company resources. Talk to us about setting up a private connection to protect your sensitive information. See you next time for another cyber safety tip.